Hello and welcome to the Hotel Hermitage in Monte Carlo in Monaco. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my room, a harbour facing room number 204 in a renovated wing of the hotel that was spruced up in 2017. I'm filming this in late 2023. Now, first things first, this is interesting. It seems to be a legal requirement for some of these hotels to state their room rate somewhere. And this supposedly starts at €2,000 a night, what you're about to see. I do think you can get cheaper off season, but that's the official advertised rate. It's very, very expensive, isn't it? So going into the bathroom, which is quite classic. Toiletries are by Acqua di Parma. Quite surprising to see they're still using single-use plastic, but people will be happy with the brand, I guess. Here is your bathtub and toilet just through the door there. Okay, moving through to the main part of the room. I wanted to film this immediately after I checked in because it's about to get dark and the view is amazing. You've got this very picturesque mural as a backdrop to the headrest. A good amount of storage there. Obviously, Monaco gets super wealthy people staying there, so I'm sure they make good use of all of that wardrobe space because there are lots of fancy shops just around the corner. There's your entertainment unit, some seating, very busy carpet pattern. Oh, and some nice ornate detailing there if you can make it out. I know the quality isn't very clear. And a little desk area. So very functional. There's also a really, really good spa here. Service is excellent. I've stayed here a few times. They do an incredible breakfast as well in a really ornate setting. But here is one of the key selling points, I think. Look at that amazing no filter view of tiny Monaco, overlooking what they call Port Hercules, which is where they host the Monaco Yacht Show every September. And customarily throughout the year, you'll see some of the world's most expensive, ostentatious, extravagant ships there. And then one other detail for you to admire, just how ornate the facade is of this building. It really is very, very fancy. And as you can imagine, the people watching here is incredible as well. So there you have it. That's the very quick tour of my room at the Hotel Hermitage, just overlooking the harbour in Monte Carlo in Monaco.